Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing what I do to get refocused and get back on track.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I feel it's extremely important to shift your mindset from a negative mindset, possibly a fixed mindset, to a more positive mindset, a growth mindset. Just like you, I do get distracted, I do lose focus, and sometimes I just want to sit around and do nothing, especially if I go a day without doing nothing where I'm just gonna relax, just, hang out with my family. Then I feel the urge to just do nothing the next day as well. So these are the things that I do to get back on track. Number one, don't beat yourself up for getting off track in the first place. You're human, it's going to happen. So take a deep breath and figure out what you're going to do next to get refocused. Number two, I watch YouTube videos, motivational YouTube videos to be specific. Motivational videos are going to literally give you the bump that you need to keep going and to just be like, you know what, I got this. Now, you may not feel like, oh my God, I got this, I'm gonna take action now. You may not feel that immediately. But after a few videos, you'll feel amped up and ready to take action on your goals and conquer the day. That's how I feel after I watch those videos, and that's why that's my go-to after I remind myself it's okay, it is what it is, I'm here now, how can I move forward from it? You have to remind yourself that it's okay to experience what you're experiencing, and it's okay to feel the emotions that you're feeling. It's okay. Accept it and embrace it, and then work through it. So the third thing that I do is remind myself of my why. Why is it that I'm doing this? What's going to keep me going? That's what your why is. And if you don't have your why for why you keep going and why you take action to achieve your goal, stop now, pause the video, write down your why, come back. It's extremely important because your why is what's going to keep you going. My why is because I want to help women either get through what I went through or avoid what I went through. And that's just a bunch of negative feelings and thinking that I just didn't deserve to be happy. And I'm just one of those people that will never be happy. It just is what it is. So I want to help women get through that or avoid that. And also I want to create a positive change in the world and just shift the world into a more positive and loving space. Now, I know that it's not realistic to think that I can get everybody at the same time to have that approach on life, but I will create the change one person at a time. If we fill the world with love and positivity, it'll shift into an amazing place to be. Fourth thing is to lock myself in my room. Now, my door doesn't lock on the inside, it only locks on the outside. I remove myself from people that can distract me because I really enjoy spending time with my family and they can really, really distract me. So I bring myself into my room and I let them know by the sign to not bother me, don't interrupt me. And the fifth thing is to remind myself of my goals. What are my goals? What am I striving for? And sometimes that little reminder will give you a boost as well to be like, this is what I want to do. This is what I'm going to do. In order for me to do that, I need to do this. And how close am I to achieving my goals? Because if you're further away from achieving your goal than you really thought you were, then that'll give you the kick that you need to be like, okay, I need to get on top of it. The sixth thing is that I look at my post-it notes and my vision board. Now, my vision board is up there and this helps so much, so much. These are things that keep me going all throughout my day. I absolutely love them. One of the things says I can and I will. Another says I'm worth the money that I charge for my program. And have fun and make friends. I'm not perfect, and I'm telling you that because I want you to know that we all are dealing with things, we all are working towards getting through things, and every once in a while that little negative thought will pop into your head, and that's when you just remind it miss me with that because I'm not listening to it. I know that I am worth this. I know that my program and what I offer is going to create a lifetime change. So the 7th thing that I'll do is walk. Sometimes you just need to go for a walk and get your thoughts in order. Like, okay, well, I did some form of exercise today, so I at least achieved something, and that'll motivate you to achieve more. The 8th thing that I do is yoga, and I do yoga for the same reason that I would go for a walk. Number 1, it does get my stretch in and I'm challenging myself when I'm doing yoga. It's not something that's very simple for me to do. Challenging myself will motivate me to challenge myself a little bit more, or possibly allow me to do something that's probably easier than doing the yoga. So the 9th thing is to read. Reading will allow you to refocus on what it is that you need to be doing. Now, if I'm on a deadline with something, then obviously I'm not going to do this for long. Like, I may read for just 10 minutes instead of 30 minutes. So just gauge how much time you have when you do certain things, just to see, okay, do I have time for this? And if you're procrastinating anyways and not being productive anyways, you might as well do something that's going to improve your well-being. Now, last but not least, number 10 is meditation, or just a quick breathing session. Now, this, oh my gosh, this can help you refocus, calm you down if you feel like you're procrastinating because you're just getting slight anxiety, or you feel like you're just overwhelmed in general with what you need to do. So you're just like, okay, I'm just gonna do nothing, because that feels a lot better in the moment than it does getting things done. All the things that I have shared with you are things that I personally do. Comment down below what you do to help yourself refocus, or if you do some of the things that I do to help yourself refocus. Remind yourself that it's okay to feel like you don't want to do anything other than nothing. It's okay to feel that way. We all have those moments, but you need to remind yourself why it is that you need to do what you need to do. And refocusing yourself is very important in order to succeed. Don't beat yourself up, and do what you have to do to get where you want to be. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also notification bell, so that way you're notified every time that I upload a video. Also, hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so that my video can reach more people. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for your support. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.